Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters, Junction City, Oregon, on a nice January in 2019. I'm Gary.Christiance. You know me as the van guy, and we're going through vans today because we've got a great selection. We've got this bad boy on special. Take a peek at it. It's a 2019 Winnebago 59G, and of course G stands for the guy in the back. Right, it stands for great. I always say it starts for Gary, but so the nice thing about the G model is you've got two sleeping areas. You can seat 4 people forward facing. This is this is where a 5th person could sit. Let me swing this around for you. It's got plenty of cup holders, great storage. This swivels around. Let's take a peek in the back. So you got storage up on top, and then this of course is your main bed here in the back. This is your mattress, very comfortable. Get my seat belt out here, fasten this bad boy up. So they've added these 2 drawers over the older models, and then you still have your storage area down below here. This model's got your corner bath, a little nicer bathroom. It's not a full across the back, and plenty of room on the toilet. There's a shower curtain that comes up, mirror, place for your toilet paper and your toiletries. Here's all the owner's information that we don't know where else to put the box, so that's where it goes. Kitchen. Nice storage up on top. It's got a little glass heat shield here for while you're cooking with your 2 burners. You got the little igniter here. Recessed sink. Easy access to your water pump, and there's another, this panel just drops down to cover that, but that's showing that you can access it very easily. Release all these locks. And we have a compressor refrigerator. Freezer on the bottom, refrigerator on the top. Compressors are 110 and 12 volts, no propane, much more efficient, and you don't have to have them perfectly level. Microwave, not enough room for convection, and you have a nice closet in here. So when you're sitting in here, if you pull this tab down, you can rotate this all the way around. When the door's shut, there's another cushion that goes right here for this seat. And the way this works is you take this down, slide these cushions forward, slide this cushion forward, and then you fill this area in for a double bed. This is your Truman heating system, which I'll turn off. There we go. Solar panel charger, power control, hot water tank heaters. It's got an inverter, and all your generators start with all your capacities and on and off for your propane. TV, entertainment, DVDs up above. TV swings around. There is some storage here in the back. And this is one of the other cushions I told you for making this up into a bed. And then you have all your mats that we don't put down until it's in delivery. Backup camera. It's a 5-speed transmission. It's automatic or manual. You just push the button if you want to lock it into a gear. Front wheel drive. About 15 miles per gallon. It's got the leather upgrade. Let's take a peek outside. We've got the running boards, not the power step. Electric awning has the wind sensor. Black water flush here, so you're getting ready to dump your black tank, hook up the water hose, and that'll rinse out your black tank and help keep all this stuff off the contacts so it's more accurate. Cable hookup, 110 and 12 volt. If you wanted to bring a TV out to watch it, you could set it over here. Very nice bike rack for 2 bicycles. And then it's got the luggage rack up on top, and this unbolts, moves over to both sides of the unit so you can access your roof, whether you put a luggage pod on it, a kayak rack, a surfboard rack, a ski rack, whatever you want, and you can get up there and work on your solar panels, etc. It does have a hitch and a 4-pin brake for a little small trailer. Towing's around 2,000 pounds or in that area. Exhaust for your gas generator. Dump system, easy to get to. This is where your sewer hose goes. This is your exhaust for your Truman. 110. Cable hookup. Water fill city and from the park or potable, and then your propane is easy to get to and fill. Gasoline, regular. I know you have questions. Well, who better to call than the van guy that's doing the video? You can reach me direct at 541-554-9581, or my email is on the screen. You can do either one. But I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to working with you.